Hello everyone in YouTube. This is the Members Mark 6-tier shelf, and people complain that it falls apart easy. So I'm going to show you a way that you can prevent that from happening. Here it is. Buy yourself a box of these screws, 1/2 inch self-tapping screws, and go to the upper part of the hole that's holding the shelf and put this screw in there. Don't over tighten, just put it in there. You can use 1/2 inch if you like, but this is what I have. I mean, you can use 1 inch if you like, but this is what I have, 1/2 inch, and they work fine. So here we go. That's it. On the upper part of the hole, and this will never slide up again. Thank you for watching.